Welcome students. Today I will tell you about restriction of rights. Restriction of rights comes under the Police Forces Restriction of Police Rights Act 1966. The act to provide for the restriction of certain rights conferred by Part 3 of the Constitution, which talks about the fundamental rights in their application to the members of the forces charged with the maintenance of public order so as to ensure the proper discharge of their duties and the maintenance of discipline among them. Under this act, Section 1 says that this act may be called the Police Forces Restriction of Rights Act 1966 and it extends to the whole of India. Then under Section 2, which defines member of the police force and prescribed. These are the terms used in the act. So, first is member of a police force means any person appointed or enrolled under any enactment specified in the schedule. Then, police force includes any force charged with the maintenance of public order. Prescribed, which means prescribed by rules made under this act. Section 3 under this act, it says about the restrictions on police rights. So, restrictions respecting right to form association, freedom of speech, etc. कि किसी तरह की आप कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं बना सकते, कोई संघ का मेंबर नहीं हो सकते या उसके साथ किसी तरह से जुड़ नहीं सकते हो. And there is restriction on the freedom of speech also. First is no member of a police force shall, without the express sanction of the central government or of the prescribed authority. So prescribed authority is the senior most authority who is authorized to give permission to the subordinate staff. Be a member or be associated in any way with any trade union, labor union, political association, or with any class of trade unions, labor unions, or political associations. कोई भी member of police force प्रिस्क्राइब्ड अथॉरिटी के हाईएस्ट सीनियर मोस्ट अथॉरिटी की परमिशन या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन के बिना किसी भी ट्रेड यूनियन का या लेबर यूनियन या किसी पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशन का मेंबर नहीं हो सकता या उनके साथ किसी तरह का कोई एसोसिएशन नहीं बना सकता. Be a member of or be associated in any way with any other society, institution, association or organization that is not recognized as part of the force of which he is a member or is not of a purely social, recreational, or religious nature. Then communicate with the press or publish or cause to be published any book, letter, or other document, except where such communication or publication is in the bona fide discharge of his duties or is of a purely literary, artistic, or scientific character or is of a prescribed nature. It says if any question arises as to whether any society, institution, association, or organization is of a purely social, recreational, or religious nature, under clause B of this subsection, the decision of the central government therein shall be final. What it means? That without the permission of the senior authority, no member of the police force can communicate with the press, मीडिया के साथ, चाहे वो प्रिंट मीडिया है, डिजिटल है, मीडिया के साथ कोई किसी तरह का कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर सकते, ना ही किसी और सोसाइटी, कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन है, कोई और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, कोई एनजीओ जिसे हम नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बोलते हैं, उनके साथ किसी तरह से उनका या तो मेंबर होना या किसी और तरीके से नहीं जुड़ सकते. First, that member of the police force has to take permission from the central government and the senior most authority. Then section 4, penalty. Any person who contravenes the provisions of section 3, कि सेक्शन 3 के अंदर जितने भी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस बताई गई हैं, अगर उनके ऊपर कोई भी मेंबर ऑफ पुलिस फोर्स उनकी उल्लंघना करता है, को नहीं मानता, without prejudice to any other action that may be taken against him, be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 2000 rupees or with both. तो ऐसा अगर कोई एक्ट के अंदर जो भी प्रोविजंस दिए गए हैं उनको फॉलो नहीं करता मेंबर ऑफ पुलिस फोर्स, तो उसे 2 इयर्स की कैद हो सकती है या फाइन हो सकता है या दोनों चीज़ें लागू हो सकती हैं, डिपेंड ऑन द ऑफेंस he or she has done. Thank you.